Whether you are on a short day hike or a multi-day backpacking trip, you still need to think about your safety. Anything could happen, and you may find yourself with an injury that needs to be tended to. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best first aid kits for hiking available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out my video description. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Adventure Medical Ultralight Waterproof Kit. One of the most well-liked first aid kits among travelers is the Adventure Medical Ultralight Kit. This is because it achieves an ideal mix between preparation and minimalism. It includes all the essentials you'd anticipate, as well as a few uncommon products, such as a small roll of duct tape, moleskin for blisters, and an elastic pressure bandage. It's a fantastic starter kit and offers lots of customization options. There are larger and smaller versions of the Adventure Medical Ultralight Kit available as well. Due to the silicone-coated nylon used in the construction of the Adventure Medical Ultralight First Aid Kit, it is extremely lightweight. The medications come in individual containers with clear labels so you can locate the right thing. Finally, this kit is one of the lightest kits available at just 8 ounces. The Adventure Medical Ultralight Kit is one of the best first aid kits for backpacking in 2023 thanks to its small size and lightweight construction. Number 4. Adventure Medical Mountain Series Explorer Kit. A well-designed and well-organized first aid kit, the AMK Mountain Series Explorer Medical Kit will make sure that your group has plenty of resources for whatever situation arises. Since the AMK Mountain Series Explorer Medical Kit is designed for parties of up to 4 people on expeditions lasting up to a week, it comes with enough supplies that could be required for prolonged care in a remote environment. This first aid kit offers a more complete selection of supplies to handle heavy bleeding and a wider selection of medications. In addition, there are informational resources to guide you in choosing the most appropriate course of action when you cannot directly interact with a medical expert. The kit doesn't take up as much space as you may think it would. For many hikers and backpackers, this hiking first aid kit will be a bit too big and have too much stuff. But if you are in a group, it is a good option. Overall, the AMK Mountain Series Explorer Medical Kit should be a top consideration for the best first aid kit for backpacking. Number 3. Adventure Medical Mountain Series Backpacker. The Adventure Medical Kit's Mountain Series Backpacker is intended for use by 2 individuals for up to 4 days, or by a small group of 3 to 4 people for a weekend expedition. It has all the supplies you could need, including a 160-page first aid book to help you treat any first aid issues. The carrying bag is made of sturdy, thick nylon, and its interior is kept orderly and simple to navigate by nylon pouches. The Adventure Medical Kit's Mountain Series Backpacker is much less cluttered thanks to these zippered pouches, which organize medical supplies according to the type of damage you intend to treat. While the abundance of foot care products and remedies for minor wounds is primarily what makes this so handy for backpackers, for most people watching this review, this will be the best option as it is a good compromise between taking too much and having everything you need. Number 2. Surviveware Comprehensive Premium First Aid Kit. The Surviveware Small Kit is a well-organized first aid kit that makes it simple and quick to locate everything you need in an emergency. All the typical first aid supplies, such bandages and gauze, are included in the kit, along with some uncommon additions like medical shears, elastic wrap, and a CPR mask. No actual medication is supplied, but little bags are offered for you to put your own medication into. This kit is quite bulky, but by removing items you don't anticipate using, you might easily slim it down to reduce weight. It's a fantastic standalone kit with enough supplies in it to last a small group several days. Hence, if you are planning a longer backpack trip, you should consider the Surviveware Comprehensive Premium First Aid Kit. Number 1. Surviveware Waterproof Premium First Aid Kit. A wide range of high-quality supplies are included in the Surviveware Waterproof Premium First Aid Kit, which is contained in a durable container. Despite being small, it has all the tools you require to handle the majority of injuries, minor or severe. The Surviveware Waterproof Premium First Aid Kit has high-quality supplies that raise its value, like ACE bandages, trauma shears, and forceps suitable for a hospital. This kit also includes a strap that you may attach to yourself, a bike, or other objects. In the event of an emergency, it is simple to locate everything you need thanks to the labeled and structured inside compartments. No more digging around or creating a mess to find what you need. His tough kit's watertight zippers and 100% waterproof construction keep the items inside dry. Overall, the Surviveware Waterproof Premium First Aid Kit is a great option when looking for the best first aid kit for backpacking. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.